Hey everybody, just got some new tools from Ridgid from Home Depot. I got the LED folding light panel, 2500 lumens. We also got the tripod where you can mount 3 different lights onto it. Ridgid has lifetime warranty on everything. So let's go ahead and open them up. See what they look like. Let's start with the LED panel. Sorry about the lighting here, it's not the best. That's obviously why we're purchased these today. Pamphlet. Get rid of that over there. Looks like it's everything. So guys, this is hybrid. It takes the Ridgid batteries right down in here. Also, you can plug it into an extension cord. Let's find where you do that. Oh, and right there is where you plug it into the extension cord, if you can see that. Right there. See if I can get some better light in there. Batteries here. Alright. Set that aside. Let's open up this stand now. So guys, you have 90 days from the date of purchase to register all your tools online for the lifetime service agreement they have, covering any parts or defects in the product. Well, it comes with an Allen key in here, so it must be for mounting the lights on, I guess. And that's all that's in the box. There we go. Latch that. So if you can see, the light's not level. So go down here and screw this knob. That looks about level there to me. Well, no, that's off level. Oh, well, there's the level there. I guess that's why they put the level on. A handy feature. You can see, guys, this pivot's here. Rotates wherever you want, up, down. So guys, we got this Ridgid light here set up. As you can tell, it's about the height as my garage door opener. I think this thing extends to 7 feet, it says. Nice sturdy base on it. Well, let's plug it in, see how it goes. Hey guys, so we're back. We got the light set up. I'm gonna turn this is the only light power in my garage, so we're gonna turn that off. Well, the light lights up the garage pretty good. Powered by this, you can change any of the angles you want. One panel can move forward or all of them or back. So here we got plugged into the extension cord, or you can put your batteries in there. I don't have any batteries right now, that's why we're going with the extension cord. Right here, you see where I'm pointing here. Let's turn it off. Turn it back on. We can dim the light down. That's its lowest setting. Come have a look here. And that's its brightest setting. So as you can see, I'm going to start doing some woodworking in here, and just the one light wasn't sufficient enough for brightness, so yeah, there you have it. The new LED light from Ridgid with the tripod stand. You don't need a tripod stand, you can set it on a workbench or whatever you want to do, but I figured the tripod might come in handy, so there it is. Hopefully you guys like the unboxing and review. Now, if you want, like and subscribe.